Good morning, students. So, we will continue with the poem The Shops by Brayton Burley. Now, I did till here, right? Pounded and shrieked and hummed, clattered and drummed. Okay, so these are different kinds of noise which one can hear when one visits a factory. Okay, pounded, shrieked, hummed, clattered, drummed, these are all forms of noise. So let's continue. Noise of the furnace and the hammer, squeal of monster planners, crunch of giant shears. Now again crunch, okay, squeal. Squeal is a long high pitched noise. So all the forms of noise you can hear when you if you visit a factory. And noise of the furnace. What is a furnace? Furnace is a closed space used for heating metal. ठीक है, which you will find in most of the factories. To heat metal they have a closed space, okay, and very high temperature is used, obviously, because melting metal is it requires a lot of high temperature. So noise of the furnace and the hammer, squeal of monster planners. Squeal is a long high pitched noise, and planners is a kind of a machine. ठीक है, so it seems that the planners are squealing. Monster means what? Huge, giant planners. It seems like the planners, they squeal, they shout. Crunch of giant shears. Crunch is also a loud crunching noise. And shears are what? Shears are a machine operated by the action of opposed cutting edges of a metal. मेटल को काटने के लिए वो मशीन यूज़ होता है, shear. ठीक है, सो यू कैन इमेजिन मेटल कटिंग मशीन का कितना ज़्यादा साउंड होगा, राइट? सो दैट इज़ वाई क्रंच ऑफ जाइंट shears. Rumble of rollers thudding on the ears. Again, rumble is a continuous deep resonant sound, ठीक है, of rollers. Rollers is also a machine. Thudding on the ears. Thudding means beating strongly in the ears. मतलब कान में लगता हुआ आवाज़, okay? With most intolerable clamor, means a sound which you cannot tolerate. Clamor means a loud and confused noise. So when it beats, the rollers, when it thuds your ears, when it gets into your ear, you become intolerable. The sound is so much that it's not people are not able to tolerate it. Clamor means a loud and confused noise. Yet these places are where the dreams are built. Okay, if you see that there are so many workers over there working in the factory, they are tolerating such noise and still they are working. Their hands and faces are becoming dirty, they are becoming tired, they are doing so much labor. Why? Because it's their dream to build something, okay, for the mankind. So dreams are built in these places only. Where hard work is there, dreams are built. The long trains thunder. And what kind of dreams do they achieve? Sorry, this line I missed. No? Through far-flung spaces, the long trains thunder. In a huge area, in a huge space, the trains run. And who builds the train? Where are the parts of the trains built? In the factories only, right? Thunder means moving in a very high speed, okay? And far flung spaces means, flung means what? To throw with a force. Means the train, they move with a high velocity and a huge force. Over vast seas, the ships move on superbly. Means excellently. The ships are moving. Towers rise graceful and strong against the arcing sky. And people are building, factories build tower which reach up to the sky. Arcing sky means what? Being in arc means being in a curved shape. Okay? So the sky seems to be in a curved shape and the tower, it rises so high. Okay? Of roaring cities, miracles like these, all the huge wonders of this stagnant time are born of ugly shops bedimmed with grime. So of roaring cities means what? Cities filled with noise, cities which have a lot of machinery in it because they are built in factories and shops. Okay, miracles like this, it seems that how man has made this, it seems to be a miraculous job, that how a human being is making such objects. All the huge wonders of this plangent time. Plangent means depressing time, because the more machines are built, the more we are actually depressed. We are in a continuous fight with nature, and we are detached with nature, and somewhere that is very depressing also for the whole mankind. So you can say that all the huge wonders, okay, whatever wonders that is built, okay, in the form of buildings, or in the form of any discovery, any machine of this plangent time, of this depressing time, are born of ugly shops. And where are they born? Where are they made? Of from the shop, ugly shops. These ugly shops which we were talking about in the whole poem. Bedimmed with grime. Bedimmed means causing dimness with dirt. Grime means dirt. So out of the dirt, out of the you can say all the hardships, all the labor, all the dirt, what is born? The wonders of our time are born from these shops only. And bedimmed means causing dimness, with grime means dirt. Okay? So factories, they may look very ugly, they may look very dim, okay, filled with dirt, but these are the places from where we get such wonders of our time. Okay, so this is the poem. I hope you have understood it. And okay, if you have any doubt, you please ask me.